So today we wanted to talk to you a little bit more about block cards, how to design them, and what sort of information you can feature on your block cards. So a block card is one out of three types of cards you can design using Swipe platform. So where can we locate them? You can locate your block cards either by using the Create Card menu or going into Cards and Create Card button. So what are block cards? Block cards are best used when you want to convey more text and images to your clients or customers. So imagine being featured in National Geographic or Vogue, or there is an article online that's written about your restaurant or your product. You want to convey that article to your customers. Block cards are ideal for that. So before we jump into designing a block card, I wanted to show you what ready finished block card looks like. So block cards consist of 60% image and 40% text. Choose images with no writing over it because there's always going to be a block title that will automatically appear on your block card. The description of the block card will also appear in the bottom part of the card. This is a maximum 195 characters that best describe your blog. We also have a read more button that your users can press on and see the whole blog in one place. So let's go back into designing our block card. So as with every card, we've got the language option where we can choose the language we want to create our card in, as well as some basic information. So let's give our card a title, Swipe Block Tutorial, and a label, Swipe Block. So here we've got a formatting menu where you can choose different text options, as well as different text sizes, inserting images, as well as inserting links. So what I like to start my block cards with is pre-choosing all the images I want to be featured on my blog post. So let's go into Insert Images. Let's go into our library. I have pre-selected a couple of images beforehand. And there we go. There is another image I wanted to feature, but before we do that, just for you to keep in mind, the image that you will always upload first is the image that will be featured on your card. So now there is another image that I would like to insert in my blog. So based on that, the first image I uploaded was the pink image of the coffee, and that will be the featured image on my card once it's ready. So let's insert some text as well. I have pre-selected some text over here. I'm going to insert it right between those two images. So the formatting is copying from that website I have just copied the text from. But when you click at the beginning of the text and then press backspace, you will get automatic block formatting. You can of course change the size of that text over here, but I will leave it as a normal text for now. I'm quite happy with that. So we've got our blog post title, we've got our card label, we've got our blog images, we've got our blog text, but we're still missing the block card description. So as I mentioned, we've got 195 characters that will best describe our block card. So I will choose the first couple of lines of text and insert it here. And that's your block card designed. Let's just press finish and update. And it's there. So as I said, the first image you upload into your blog post is the first image that will feature on our card. So it's always going to be blown up. So you will see a bigger version of the header image. Let's call it header image. And then you see the smaller version of the first image you have uploaded. So now if I go into my cards, I can see my block cart here ready, and you can add it to your campaigns. Thank you so much for watching.